Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain 6 Hydro reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store that based in United States and Canada, which deals with multiple and unique products including water bottles like water tracker bottle, black water tracker bottle, stainless steel bottle with straw lid, tumblers, ceramic mugs, t-shirts, flag, accessories, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now guys, let's know about the payment information of the site, and for that you need to visit this home web page, and here you can see the website accepts online payments via Visa, MasterCard, Amex and PayPal. Now let's check out the shipping and delivery information. Guys, you can also find the payment information in this section as well, and you can see they have mentioned PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover, as I've already mentioned and discussed. And yes, talking about shipping duration, guys, you can see the shipping time is 5 to 10 business days through UPS Express. The shipping cost is $7.95. And here they have mentioned that domestic orders are delivered within 1 to 12 business days depending on the service you chose at checkout. So this was the shipping policy, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So starting from the first factor, which is HTTPS protocol. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information. So guys, the domain name was created on 20th of March 2020. This means that this site is 8 months old, and according to our study, the domain is registered for 1 year only. So this was the domain information. Now let's take a look at the About Us section of this website to know more about this website. So this is the About Us page, guys. Let's click. So guys, you can see the About Us page of this website is not non-clickable and is redirecting to the homepage of this website, but here you can read the information related to their collection and offerings. So let's take a look at the contact us information now. For that you need to visit the contact us page, and here they have mentioned a query form. And yes, apart from that, they have mentioned the details including company's address, email, which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not provided contact number, which is a negative sign. Now guys, talking about social media presence, so you can see 4 social media icons are available on this website, which are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and their own blog. So the website has social media presence on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and on their own blog. You can check out the social media existence on these social media platforms. So this is a good sign here that defines its legitimacy. Now guys, let's check out the return policy of this website. For that you need to visit the return and refund policy. And you can see the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. before making any online purchase or before reviewing a website. And guys, talking about 64 Hydro reviews, we have found 4.5 rating out of 5 on Trustpilot. And one of the customers wrote that I love my new personalized bottle, just took longer than expected shipping process, but overall I am a happy customer. So this was the customer review. And you can also visit the review section by checking the homepage of this website. Here are the customer reviews, guys. You can see the rating is 4.5 out of 5 based on 8308 reviews on Trustpilot. Majority of the customers are satisfied with the services of this company. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be legit. And yes, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.